Too many of you are burning daylight. You're spending hours, literally hours, staring at your phone, trying to come up with one single idea for a 45-second short. You think and rethink. You write a script, then you delete it. You change the hook, you change the angle, you change your mind 5 different times before you even press the record button. This hesitation, this constant second-guessing, is the single biggest killer of your momentum. It's not about having the perfect idea, it's about execution and volume. The time you waste in indecision is time you could have spent creating, publishing, learning from what the market actually wants. This paralysis by analysis is where most creators lose the game before it even starts. They get so caught up in making one perfect piece of content that they end up making nothing at all. Let me be clear, perfection is a myth. Done is better than perfect, every single time. The market will tell you what's good. Your audience, through their views, comments, and shares, will give you all the feedback you need. You don't need to be a creative genius locked in a room for days. You need to be a practitioner, someone who gets ideas out into the world fast. Let's walk through a real-world example to show you just how fast this can be. Let's say your idea is a simple short, how to clean white sneakers using household items. This is a classic, useful piece of content. But instead of winging it, we're going to use a series of prompts to build a complete plan in under 5 minutes. We are building a content machine, the assembly line. Every step is designed for speed and clarity. First, we need a killer hook. Step 1. Prompt for hooks. Generate 6 powerful hooks for a 30-second short about cleaning white sneakers with baking soda and vinegar. Make them sound like a secret hack. Stop throwing out your dirty white shoes. Your white sneakers aren't ruined. They just need this 2-ingredient fix. We'll pick 1. Don't buy new white sneakers. Revive them with this kitchen cabinet trick. It's short, creates curiosity, and promises a simple solution. We have our opener in 30 seconds. Next, we need the structure and the actual words to say. We don't have time to write a full script from scratch. Step 2. Prompt for structure. Write a 3-part script for a 30-second short using the hook. Part 1. Hook. Part 2. Quick demo. Part 3. Final reveal. The AI will then spit out a simple script. Mix baking soda and vinegar. Scrub with a toothbrush. Let it sit. Final shot showing the clean shoe. You now have a narrative to follow. Finally, we need to know what to film. Step 3. Prompt for scenes and pacing. Create a 5-shot list for a 30-second short about cleaning sneakers. 1. Extreme close-up on dirty shoe. 4 seconds. 2. Overhead shot mixing ingredients. 8 seconds. 3. Fast cut montage of scrubbing. 10 seconds. 4. Side-by-side comparison of dirty versus clean. 5 seconds. 5. Final shot of you holding the clean shoe. 3 seconds. Just like that, you have a complete pre-production plan. You know the hook, the script, the shots, and the timing. All that's left is to execute. To make this even easier, I'm giving you 3 plug-and-play prompt templates. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every time. Save these templates in a note. When it's time to create, you just copy, paste, fill in the blanks. This is how you build a system. This is how you achieve speed and scale. These templates are your new best friend for crushing your content goals, leaving your competition in the dust. First, the hook generator. The hook is everything. You need options, fast. This template gives you a variety of angles. Don't overthink it. Pick one and go. Prompt template 1. For hooks. Give me 8 short, punchy hooks for a length second short about your topic. Frame them for a beginner audience. Include hooks that start with a question, a bold statement, a common mistake. Next, the structure template. Prompt template 2. For structure. Write a concise 3-part script for a length second short about your topic. Part 1, hook. Part 2, 3 simple steps. Part 3, a final tip and clear CTA. Finally, the scene list and pacing template. Prompt. Template 3, for scene list and pacing. Generate a visual shot list with 4 to 6 scenes for a length second short about your topic. For each scene, suggest a shot type and estimated duration. Include where to place text overlays. Save these and copy-paste when you're ready. Alright, let's bring it all together. There's no excuse for being slow anymore. The tools are here. The strategy is clear. Now it's all about execution. Here's the simple process. Prompt for hooks. Prompt for script. Prompt for shots and pacing. Film, edit, upload. Following these steps removes indecision and streamlines your process. It turns content creation into a predictable, high-output system. Go and claim your free prompt pack right now. The link is right there. Download it, open it, and use one prompt to create one short today.